Hello, I am Arnab Chakraborty. I am having more than 26 years of academic teaching and more than 13 years of corporate training experiences. I've conducted training programs for more than 170 corporates across the world, and for different countries, for different companies. I conducted multiple batches, and for Accenture only, I conducted more than 36 batches. For IBM, more than 27 batches. For Ericsson, more than 26 batches, and so many companies in my list. So you might have seen me on the YouTube, because I'm having more than 2,500 videos on the YouTubes divided into 31 different subjects and album. So I'm associated with this CodeChef and Unacademy conducting their courses. So I hope that this journey of learning will be very much resourceful and purposeful for all of us. Today's class title is Beginner Problem Solving with Loops. In this class, we shall discuss some intermediate level topics or problems which we will be solving using the loop, using the flowchart in a very generic way. And if you have a little bit programming concept, or if you have followed our previous classes, obviously you'll be getting all the respective background to understand this particular class. We'll be discussing some tricky and logical problems to clear your doubts in this particular concept, and the class title will be Beginner Problem Solving with Loops. To join this particular class, the link has been provided here, and you can click on the link to get the more details about the class timing, the class duration, and the respective purpose of the class. You can use my referral code ORNOP10 for joining the class. You can join here, and let's have a lots of fun of learning. Thank you.